This is a really simple one. Cranberries, sugar, water, touch of orange and a little cinnamon. That's it. No need to overthink it. Let's start by adding 1 cup of sugar to the pot. I'm using a 1/2 cup measure. Next we'll add 1/2 cup of water. And finally, 1/2 cup of orange juice. Nothing dramatic here, just gently warming it until the sugar dissolves. You don't need it boiling hard, just enough heat to wake everything up. Once the sugar's dissolved, we can add our other ingredients. Some orange peel. The cinnamon. The orange extract. Now let's add the cranberries. Straight away you get that deep red colour and that sharp fresh smell. And that's it. At this point, I just bring it up to a gentle boil and then turn the heat right down. This is where the magic starts to happen. The cranberries slowly start to burst. The sauce thickens naturally and the colour deepens as everything comes together. I let it simmer on a low heat for 10 to 12 minutes, just stirring occasionally. Now this next part is entirely up to you. If you like a chunky sauce, leave it exactly as it is. If you prefer it smoother, just press a few of the cranberries against the side of the pot until they squash. Remember to remove the orange peel. It will thicken even more as it cools down, so don't worry if it looks a little loose at first. Once it's thickened, take it off the heat and let it cool. This is one of those small things that makes a big difference on the plate. Fresh, balanced, and something you can feel good about serving to everyone. I hope you all get a chance to cook something that makes you smile this week.